The most prominent system in the retail sales industry is the system A. POS point of scale, B. COBOL, C. ACM, D. PCXT. The correct answer is POS point of scale. Data items in the fixed asset record of a newly purchased asset that a well-designed application program could obtain automatically include A. Estimated disposal data, B. Source, C. First cost, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Attempt to provide the same judgmental advice that human experts such as doctors provide. A. ES, B. I, C. KBS, D. RAND. The correct answer is ES. A provides a set of integrated computer tools that allow a decision maker to interact directly with computers in order to retrieve information useful for semi-structured and unstructured decisions. A. DDS, B. DBMS, C. MIS, D. Control. The correct answer is DDS. The employee profile report is used by A. the manager, B. the individual department, C. the personnel department, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. To be successful in implementing DSS, organizations should have the following characteristics except A. well-controlled data processing system, B. willingness to commit dollars and personnel to the project, C. education and training by the organization, D. powerful central computer groups to initiate and manage system projects. The correct answer is powerful central computer groups to initiate and manage system projects. The bars in a bar chart are represented by the A. rectangles in a network diagram, B. arrows in a network diagram, C. triangles in a network diagram, D. all of the above. The correct answer is arrows in a network diagram. Data collection terminals. A. track the flow of materials from one production area to another, B. record employee attendance, C. record start and stop of production steps, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The general systems model of the firm can be used A. to solve problems in college classes, B. to ease the transition into a new company upon graduation, C. to solve problems as a manager, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Computing systems most often facilitate planning because they A. make it possible to take into account many possibilities in an uncertain situation, B. make it possible to solve complex problems, C. enable an appropriate data processing system to provide answers quickly, D. all of the above. The correct answer is make it possible to take into account many possibilities in an uncertain situation. Which of the following is true of an artificial intelligence system? A. It is computer application where the computer makes decisions or judgment. B. It is infallible since it is computer-based. C. Ultimately it is expected to replace professionals such as doctors. D. two of the above. The correct answer is it is computer application where the computer makes decisions or judgment. During the MIS development process, progress reporting meetings are held. A. daily, B. weekly, C. monthly, D. all of the above. The correct answer is weekly. The study project proposal. A. estimates the effect the MIS will have on company profits. B. estimate the costs of studying the feasibility of an MIS in detail. C. both A and B. D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Linear programming models solve problems dealing with A. relatives and absolutes, B. routes and mixes, C. Dispersions and similarities. D. Rupees and percentages. The correct answer is routes and mixes. The order entry subsystem creates a file of order records that are input to the A. Production subsystem, B. Inventory subsystem, C. Control subsystem, D. Quality subsystem. The correct answer is Inventory subsystem. The manager attempts to expedite or speed up the flow of A. Machines, B. Manpower, C. Material, D. All of the above. The correct answer is material. Environmental information has greater value on the A. Top management level, B. Middle management level, C. Lower management level, D. All of the above. The correct answer is top management level. A condition that led to the development of databases was A. The proliferation of data files, B. An increase in the amount of data handled by organizations, C. A demand for more data to support informational needs, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The continuing education program that all managers should get into is A. Seminar series on technical developments in chemistry, B. New developments in accounting, C. Information on threats and opportunities faced by the business, D. All of the above. The correct answer is information on threats and opportunities faced by the business. A periodic report can facilitate management by exception by A. Including complete alphabetic descriptions for each numeric entry, B. Including only those transactions that fall within predetermined limits of acceptable performance, C. Consolidation of multiple transactions into a summary form, D. Comparing actual performance with acceptable standards. The correct answer is comparing actual performance with acceptable standards. A manager would use a file manipulation language such as APL to cause the computer to A. Produce pre-computed information such as ratios, B. Perform screening and selection of data from the database, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is perform screening and selection of data from the database. The prime concern of financial control is A. Accounting for the liabilities incurred, B. Meeting payroll commitments, C. Providing financial status information, D. All of the above. The correct answer is providing financial status information. A question that MIS designers must consider is whether to use top or bottom-up development approach, A. Down, B. Level, C. Bottom, D. All of the above. The correct answer is down. Which of the following is not a primary reason for the popularity of decision support systems? A. Declining cost of computer hardware, B. Advent of database management systems, C. Increased number of programmers, D. Management trained in analytic techniques. The correct answer is increased number of programmers. Management has become more complex because A. There is less time to react to competitive actions, B. The equipment used in many of the firm's activities has become more complex, C. Firms have become larger, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Sales invoking is A. Pre-sales activity, B. Job of finance department, C. Post-sales activity, D. All of the above. The correct answer is pre-sales activity. Accounting data. A. Is oriented to the future, B. Is prone to error, C. Deals only with internal activities of the firm, D. Must be converted into information to be of value to the manager. The correct answer is must be converted into information to be of value to the manager. Administrative supervision of the activities relating to a database is the responsibility of the A. DP manager, B. database administrator, C. VP DP administration, D. DB manager. The correct answer is database administrator. The latest time that the event can be delayed without delaying the completion of the entire project in PERT chart is A. earliest allowable time, B. latest allowable time, C. earliest pass, D. latest pass. The correct answer is latest allowable time. Union officials receive the same type of education as A. top-level managers, B. the rank and file employees, C. low-level managers, D. all of the above. The correct answer is low-level managers. The relationship between the computer and quantitative techniques can be said to be A. symbiotic one, B. synergistic one, C. syntactical one, D. synthetic one. The correct answer is synthetic one. Sales order data is entered by means of A. terminal entry, B. key punch, C. OCR, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Marketing research data is gathered by A. observation, B. in-depth interviews, C. controlled experiment, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Customer data, name and address, shipping instructions, credit terms, etc. is provided by the A. manufacturing information system, B. order entry subsystem, C. billing subsystem, D. marketing information system. The correct answer is billing subsystem. Detected money errors are corrected with A. debit entries, B. credit entries, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Data are allowed to be transmitted in only one direction in A. simplex channel, B. dump channel, C. half duplex channel, D. full duplex channel. The correct answer is simplex channel. Many large organizations have information where managers can use fourth-generation languages to retrieve the facts they need from online databases, and where staff experts are available to provide PC hardware software guidance. A. expert, B. centers, C. control, D. MIS. The correct answer is centers. Which of the following is not a major subsystem part providing an opportunity for system design controls? A. database, B. model base, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is neither A nor B. Which of the following is not a level of information handling? A. decision support system DSS, B. operations assistance system, C. transaction processing system IPS, D. office automation system. The correct answer is operations assistance system. Assist traditional auditors both in the review of computer controls and in the production of audit information through the use of computers. A. CDP, B. CISA, C. DPMA, D. EDP auditor. The correct answer is EDP auditor. QUBE is an example of systems. A. problem solving, B. inventory, C. electronic shopping, D. algebra. The correct answer is electronic shopping. The amount of a certain product sold to a certain customer in a past period can be obtained from the A. customer file, B. sales history file, C. inventory file, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A greater proportion of time is spent in planning on the A. Top management level. B. Middle management level. C. Lower management level. D. All of the above. The correct answer is top management level. As alternatives are evaluated, the best one is recognized as the one. A. Best enabling the system to meet its objectives. B. Representing lowest cost. C. With the most advantages. D. With the least disadvantages. The correct answer is best enabling the system to meet its objectives. Decisions can be classified on 3 levels: strategic and operational. A. Prompt. B. Passwords. C. MIS. D. Tactical. The correct answer is tactical.